Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare pumpkin halwa. In other words, it's called Kashi Halwa. Ingredients for pumpkin halwa. In other words, it's called Kashi Halwa. Around 250 grams of pumpkin, 10 to 15 cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 150 gram of sugar. We have to peel the skin of pumpkin and we have to grate in the grater. How to peel the skin like this using the potato peeler. See, we peeled the skin completely. All the green skin gone now. Only the white remaining. You have removed completely the skin. Before grating the pumpkin, you have to remove the center part of the pumpkin, which is not required. We are removing the center part, which consists of seed, which is not required for the dish. To remove like this. We completely removed the seed and it's ready to grate now. So we're going to grate the pieces. It's very good for health, pumpkin, for weight loss, but not this dish. Normally pumpkin is very good for weight loss. So grating is completed. See, the pumpkin we grated completely. We're going to salt this one with ghee. Heat the pan. So we're going to fry the cashew nut first. If you want, you can put raisins, that is dry grapes. If you want, you can put raisins also. Then cardamom. I don't prefer cardamom, that's why I didn't add in this one. But you can put cardamom also if you want. Fried the cashew in golden brown color. Little more ghee to salt the pumpkin, grated pumpkin. Flavor of ghee is awesome. Close with lid. So it should be cooked completely. Keep in sim flame. We'll open the lid and check. It's not cooked. Still some more time. As pumpkin consists of water, no need to put any water. That itself enough to cook. Now it's completely cooked. Approximately 15 minutes it takes to cook. So we're going to add the sugar with this one. This is approximately 150 grams of sugar for this quantity. So we added pinch of red color to give color. If you don't want color, don't add. Just you can use the natural color. If you want to add cardamom, you can powder the cardamom. You can add at this stage. I don't prefer cardamom, that's why I didn't add. But if you want, you can add at this stage. So completely sugar melted. After adding the sugar, you can increase the flame to medium. From sim to medium. See, the water should be completely dried. See, this is not actually the water, it's a sugar syrup. It's getting thick now. So I have to increase the flame from sim to medium, as I told you before. It's a nice color. See, the water is getting dried now. It's getting thick. A nice color. Going to add the cashew at this stage. If you want, you can add little ghee at this stage if required. It's not necessary. That's it. It's a time to remove from flame. A nice color it is. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.